Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular portable washing machines: the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the mini portable washing machine. We'll explore their features, capacities, and designs to help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The COSTWAY portable washing machine features a twin-tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it efficient for larger loads. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine boasts a compact and foldable design, ideal for travel and small spaces. This makes the mini easier to store and transport, but it sacrifices some capacity and functionality. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY machine can handle up to 12 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for families or larger loads. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine has a capacity of 11 liters, which is perfect for smaller, delicate items or travel laundry needs. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience depending on your lifestyle. The COSTWAY portable washing machine comes equipped with timer control, allowing users to customize their wash cycles according to their needs. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine features S+ Clean technology, which emphasizes efficient cleaning for smaller loads. While both machines offer unique advantages, your choice will depend on whether you prioritize customization or advanced cleaning technology. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the mini portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The COSTWAY is perfect for larger households needing efficient washing capabilities, while the mini is ideal for those who need a compact and portable solution. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.